How to clone your voice using ElevenLabs AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to clone your voice using ElevenLabs, then first of all launch open the application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of ElevenLabs, go to the bottom center and tap on Creator. Now click on the plus button right in front of Add a New Voice at the top, and you can choose either Instant Voice Clone or Professional Voice Clone option. I'm just gonna click on Instant Voice Clone. Now you'll be able to see this kind of an interface where you need to tap on the record button or the mic button to record your voice. Tap on it. You might also need to allow microphone access if you have not done that yet. Now tap on the microphone button and speak clearly. Make sure to create a 30-second long voiceover. Hi everyone, I am just trying to create some videos on ElevenLabs. This is my tutorial video where I have to create a clone voice using ElevenLabs, and I'm trying to create some videos out of it so that I can help others who want to learn about ElevenLabs basics. So I have selected the Instant Voice Clone for quick cloning. Once you've done speaking for 30 seconds, your audio will be successfully recorded. Now tap on the Continue button at the bottom of the screen and follow through the instructions. Remember, if you want to create a clone for your voice, you need to subscribe to the premium version of ElevenLabs. Go ahead and take a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription plan. The first month will be 50% off according to my region over here. Go ahead and start your plan and you'll be able to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. After you do that, you'll be able to generate the audio, listen and edit the audio if needed, and you can export it directly to other apps or onto your device. So that is how you easily clone your voice in ElevenLabs. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.